What's up guys, it's me again, the foreigner. I want to show you something really nice, a little gadget that I bought off the internet for this Tesla Model X, and it comes in this box here. It's for Model X and Model S. If you open the box, it's really nice packaging, and we have a piece of metal which is made of two separate pieces, and they're kept together by some nice magnets. Gonna try and hold the phone in position, and this one should go, I think it's like that. Let us try and see. Yes, it goes exactly like this. It's gonna stick. So the magnet went all right on this side. Okay. Feels natural. So I'm taking this one out, and the other house. This weighs quite a bit, so I can feel it. It's a bit heavy. So in theory, what this piece of metal should replace the need of you keeping your hands on the wheel. Because when you drive on autopilot or on self-drive, it will ask every 30 seconds to apply pressure on the steering wheel. Otherwise, it's gonna start doing really nasty. And eventually it's gonna go to a full stop in the middle of the motorway or highway. It's not gonna care, because that's how Tesla does things in Europe. So if you guys live in Europe, you know what I'm talking about. When you're out there and about enjoying the self-drive or the autopilot, you will have to constantly do something like that every 20 or 30 seconds, because otherwise it will just stop. If you live in the US and you are free of all these stupid restrictions, then you don't need this piece of kit. But if you live in Europe and you are restricted by the regulation, you would rather have this bit here taking the hassle away. I will come back with another video when we're gonna actually test this out there on the road, and see you guys later. Okay, so we're not filming, we are using the autopilot, don't have the gizmo on the steering wheel. And any second now, it will start saying apply slide turn force, which I'm doing now. Well, I've done it too much. So we are driving in autopilot without the thingy on the steering wheel. And anytime soon, it's going to ask us to do the apply slide turn, which I'm doing now.
A few moments later.
So we're back, and we're gonna test this little gizmo here to see if it's actually working, and the vehicle is not gonna ask for manually applying force to the steering wheel while doing the autopilot or the self-drive function. In the meantime, we're here at Tesco's in the car park. But I will have a little snack, which is just bread and this amazing Polish salami or Polish roasted wine. So we shall see if this little gizmo here, which I bought off Amazon, costs anything in between 30 and 120 pounds, which is about $40 to $150. Depends what you buy it from. I think the only difference would be the weight over the finish. I bought this one for 30 pounds, which is about $40-ish. So let's see if it works well. So we are not driving in autopilot without anything on the steering wheel. I'm just on the other side and watch the dash. Apart from the message saying I have to replace the battery in my key fob, see now it says apply slide force. And I get the white blinking on top, applying force. And now I'm gonna put the thingy on top of it and underneath, and it should no longer say anything, because this applies a bit of pressure on it. It shouldn't say anything anymore. I'm not going to turn the music down, because I'll get a copyright strike again for playing music on the radio. So now, apart from the key fob battery low message, I'm not getting anything else, because this bit here does its job properly. So thumbs up for that. Well done, guys.